Ever wonder how to recruit people and convert leads from your social media page to your website? My name is Nikki Nicole, and I'm a digital social media marketing strategist, and this video is the answer. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you a page that I created on a software called ClickFunnels. This page is what most people may call a link tree, but I kind of made a little extra fancy because for the clientele that I have, for some reason, reading is not fundamental, or reading is not people's strong suit. So what I tend to do is I'll go ahead and create graphics to showcase the products and services that I'm offering to match whatever graphic that caught their attention on my social media page. So what I did was I took the concept of a link tree and I created graphics with a button. And I labeled it based on whatever products and services that I'm offering. So in regards to being a fitness instructor and hosting fitness and workout classes, I have a section where they can go to my main website. I have a section here where they can go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if they want, if you are the type that has a Facebook group or a blog or a podcast, then you can add a button here where they can go ahead and enroll into that. Then I'll label each section based on the needs and wants that my clients are looking for. So because I teach workshops, I have bookings for private sessions, and then for nowadays we have, online virtual classes. I broke each section down into little categories to make it easier for people to find my products. Why do I create a page like this that will bridge people from my social media page to my website? Because when someone visits my website, what happens is they will get lost and they cannot find where to go. So let's say I go to nyctworkout.com. What happens is, depending on which view they're looking at my page. So on a website, on a desktop or a tablet, you can see clearly you have the menu bars up here. But if they were viewing my website from a mobile device, it doesn't look like this. It looks completely different. Instead of the menu bars on the top, there's a little square on the side with 3 lines that they have to press in order to open the menu, and it comes down on a vertical viewpoint. So I've noticed a lot of people ask, how do I sign up for the class? How do I find a class? How do I book a class? I can't find anything. And even though I did the best that I can, because on my website it says class info, and here it says sign up here. These are two, they both go to the same page. They both show you the class schedule and how to sign up for the class, as well as on the main page. If you see here, it says beginners workshop, sexy little sensual seduction workshops, coming soon online twerk tutorials, get notifications. You have all this right here. There's no, like I gave you 2 options. You have in the menu bar 2 options, and on the page you have 2 options. But for some strange reason, people still play the I don't know how to sign up for the class, I don't know where to go, blah, 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 blah. And it's like, I can't make this stuff up. So, what I did was I created a bridge page, or AKA a link tree, but I made it with graphics. So that way there's no confusion, excuse me, as to how to sign up for classes. So you've seen with both options, it was very clear on how to sign up for the class or how to get more information about the class. But for some strange reason, people can't find it. So I created this link tree. So a normal link tree, you will just have buttons going straight up and down. Everyone's mostly familiar with the software Linktree. I decided to do a little bit more fancier with a photo of me, little description, a lead capture box, meaning I get their contact information if they visit my page, and use whatever graphic I had that matches my social media page. That way, if someone's interested in going to my YouTube channel, they can click here and it'll take you straight. Oh, it shows the picture, sorry. it goes straight to the YouTube channel. Watch it. Bam. There's no question. There's no, I can't find it. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to click on. Now, if you're looking for a particular class, like you're like, oh, I'm interested in, you know, the beginner's workshop, you can click here and it takes you right to the page to sign up for the class. So there's no confusion. You have online class, you have an in-person class. There's no confusion as to where to go. None whatsoever. Now, if they're interested in, let's go back. Looking, and now here for the virtual classes, so for all my fitness instructors that are teaching virtual classes, I made a dedicated graphic with the television screen, the tablet, the laptop, the cell phone to showcase this is a virtual online class. Why did I did that? Because I've had people message me, I don't know the difference between I don't know what a virtual class is. I don't know if that's in person or live, which is crazy, but you're going to have crazy people ask you crazy stuff. And two, people were confused whether it was in person or online. So my in-person classes or, you know, outdoor events or one type of graphic, and then the virtual online classes or live stream classes or even the on-demand classes has a completely different graphic that will represent using it on your mobile device. Makes sense? So visually, from a looking at the graphic, you can tell this is online versus these doesn't look like it's online, but I'm unsure. Makes sense? You have to be very crystal clear on how you're delivering your content and how people are going to receive it and how you're selling it, and have a graphic that represents the product, because people will not read, they will skim. So at least if you have a photo, this helps eliminate the craziness and you can convert higher with your sales. So again, someone clicks on this, they go to dedicated right to the website to sign up for the class. Bam. There's no confusion. It's right here. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Makes sense? And if you sell merchandise, you can put your merchandise down here. If you have certain private services like private parties, private lessons, online and offline, like for here, if someone's interested in booking a private party with me, they can click the button. It takes them straight to the page to sign up for the private parties. There's no, I can't find it. I don't know where to go. I'm not sure what to click on. I'm unsure about the rates. And it's very clear what to do. And I have different testimonials on this dedicated page. So I'm going to recommend that everyone creates a bridge page for their business, for their classes, and for products and services. And this is the link that you're going to share on your social media page. So that way it bridges the gap between whatever post the person saw and takes them straight to the product and services that they're interested in buying or booking with you. Make sense? Because they're not going to read your website. They're not going to try to figure out how to work your website. They're just going to leave and go find somebody else. So this, again, bridges the gap and increases conversions in regards to your sales and leads for your business, because you're creating a visual representation of your products and services, as well as you're directing people straight to the website, which avoids them trying to figure it out. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and click the like button, as well as comment below in the description 2 points that you learned and 1 point of improvement. What are you going to do differently? And if you're interested in this template, I'm going to put the link below where you can sign up to get access to this particular template. So that way, all you have to do is switch out the photos, switch out the links, update the descriptions to match what you're offering, and bada bing, bada boom, you have yourself a dedicated, high converting Linktree, aka bridge page. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nikki Nicole, and enjoy yourself. Take care and good night.